So I just posted a video online yesterday of like a whining noise, a little faint whine when I'm driving, and I've been hearing it since like a couple days after I bought it. But I've kind of noticed if I rev it really high in neutral, I hear it too. Also, it's accompanied with a slight gas pedal vibration. Right about starts a little bit. Hear that humming? Kinda. So let me try it one more time. Alright. I'm not really sure what that is, because if I just... you don't even hear it. Alright, just figure I'd document that. Alright, thanks.